Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Clearbit enrichment inside HubSpot CRM. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Clearbit enrichment in HubSpot CRM, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options on the left sidebar. Click on the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the integrations section. Select Connected Apps from the list of options. Locate Clearbit from the Connected Apps list. If Clearbit is not connected, click on the Connect App button. Follow the prompts to log into your Clearbit account. Once logged in, ensure the necessary permissions are granted for Clearbit to access your HubSpot data. After connecting, return to the dashboard and navigate to your contacts list. Select a contact profile to check if Clearbit enrichment is working. If enrichment data is missing, click the Update option on the contacts profile. Wait a moment to allow HubSpot to refresh and retrieve enrichment data from Clearbit. Review the newly populated fields for any updated information from Clearbit. If issues persist, revisit the Integrations section in Settings. Look for any error messages related to Clearbit and follow the suggested steps to resolve them. Once confirmed, return to your contacts list and check for successful enrichment on multiple profiles. You have successfully restored Clearbit enrichment in HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.